Hello, I'm Mark Nagaitis, and I'm the CEO of 7 billion people.
And I'm Trevor Picorni, COO.
And before you all ask, yes, it is a lot of people, but we have huge conference rooms back at the office.
As you've guessed, our name refers to the world's population. And for a company focused on deeply personalizing the web experience for every individual, we think it fits.
Ladies and gentlemen, today marks the end of the web as a one-size-fits-all experience. Our new WebLegend software gives online retailers the ability to deeply understand the customer and dynamically change web pages for every shopper. It answers perhaps the most fundamental question of e-commerce. How can we make online shoppers feel as natural and comfortable on the web as they do in face-to-face shopping environments?
We're about to show you how customers have used our software to increase their online sales by up to 70%.
Before we get into that, though, let's talk about me.
But of course.
I'm in my 40s, and as you can probably tell from my accent, I come from Austin, Texas.
Me too.
I earn a reasonable salary, and I like cars and computers.
Same here. Based on simple demographics and purchase histories, we could be the same person.
But here's where it gets interesting. When I shop online, I like to see reviews and recommendations. I like to browse, and I respond pretty well to marketing.
Major difference. I don't care what others think. I use data to make my decisions. I'm wary of scams, and I like to see a clear, documented process.
So we're not so alike.
Thank goodness.
But there's a serious question here. Why do websites present broadly the same experience to both of us when we clearly process information in different ways?
It just doesn't make sense, which is why 97% of online shoppers abandon their purchase.
And that's where we come in. Real salespeople observe and listen to their customers and personalize the way they sell. Now, online retailers can do the same. WebLegend uses linguistic and behavioral psychology to analyze click streams and change web pages in real time.
We all know and love Amazon.com, so we're going to use their site in our demo. Let's be clear, they're not a customer yet. WebLegend is simply overlaid on the Amazon site so that it can analyze my click stream and make real-time page changes. Let's start with the standard Amazon pages so WebLegend can start to score my buying behavior. You'll see my score change on these attributes, these 6 attributes, in this overlay in the corner. Let's start by searching for a camera. Okay? And I'm most interested in the technical specs as opposed to reviews. Okay. Only 3 clicks, and already WebLegend knows enough about my preferences to modify my next shopping experience. So let's say I return the next day and go back to the home page. A personalized home page. Same general information, but without all the distracting clutter. No treasure chest, no product recommendations, just a big search bar, stepwise navigation, and ads with language I might actually respond to. So let's repeat the search for the camera. Step 2, personalized product page that drops me immediately into the technical specs. Everything else is readily available. It's just not distracting me from buying. So let's add this to the cart. Step 3, personalized checkout page with exactly what I want to see. Expedited shipping, only relevant product accessories, and nothing about people like you also bought this teapot.
So instead of focusing on what Trevor might want to buy, WebLegend determined how he likes to buy. The lack of clutter, as he describes it, is simply because we've eliminated the things that distract and annoy him and emphasize those elements he likes.
And it's all happening automatically, in real time. Amazon just sent the standard pages to me, and 7 billion people did the rest. So let's see how WebLegend modifies the shopping experience for Mark.
So I'm a return customer to Amazon, so WebLegend already knows about my buying preferences and has cookied my system. And here's the homepage modified for me. I see reviews, popular and recommended products, hottest sellers. The ad language is personalized for me, and there's lots of opportunities for browsing. I search differently too. I'm going to search for the most popular digital cameras. And here's my search results page. Now, presentation and content are completely different. Product ratings are emphasized, and I see a matrix of options, not just Trevor's laser-targeted search results. So let's select the same camera and go to my product page. You can see here, very, very different again. I'm dropped into the reviews section first. I see top 10 alternatives, and I also see what customers actually buy after viewing the camera. And this is really comfortable for me because this is the type of information I need to make my buying decision. So let's add that to the shopping cart, and wow, the checkout process completely different. I like to see recommended products. For me, WebLegend has determined that this type of upsell is absolutely appropriate. For Trevor, it's so annoying that he'd probably abandon the cart and go buy the camera somewhere else. So there you go. Deep personalization online for the first time.
And these are just two examples. There are unlimited possibilities. WebLegend uses neural networks, JavaScript injection, and other Star Trek sounding stuff to deliver the right online shopping experience to every individual, using science based on the fundamentals of human communication.
And the technology is impressive, but even more important are the business benefits. Our first few customers are seeing their conversion rates increase by an average of 50%. That means their top-line revenues are increasing by 50%.
Hey, and for Amazon, that's an extra $9 billion a year, right?
Absolutely. So, Jeff, if you're out there, give us a call. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.